Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use CapCut templates in your PC or laptop. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your CapCut application in your PC, and then inside here, you will then be able to find an option that says template. But if in case you don't, head back to your home screen, open up your browser, and then in the search bar, search for CapCut.com. Once you search for it, you need to go ahead and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, you will then be able to find templates right over here selected. Here you'll then be able to find different kind of templates you can use. Select the one that you would like to use, and if you're satisfied with that, go ahead and tap on use this template. And all you have to do is simply replace the clip with your own clip from your computer. Wait for it to load, and here you will need to go ahead and simply tap on this little icon, and just like that, choose your own video or photo from your gallery. Once done, tap and open. And once you have replaced it and you're satisfied with that, you need to go ahead and tap on export and then tap on download. Go ahead and simply name your project, adjust the resolution, and then go ahead and tap on export. And after that, you'll then be able to save it to your computer. That's it. That is how you can use CapCut template on your PC or laptop. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.